What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Detailing. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. Just pulled up to the client's house. I was deciding to record with my camera, but turns out I left my SD card, so we're gonna use my iPhone 13 for today. So if the quality's different, bear with me, all right? So we have 2 maintenance details. It's actually 8 in the morning, and we got a little bit of early start. The sun is gonna be blazing today, so we don't have any time to waste, all right? So we have a Mazda here. I think this is like a CX-3, CX-5. This thing is not bad at all, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this one out. And then we have a Tesla Model 3 that's gonna be pulling up shortly as well to detail. So let me show you guys the overall condition. So since I do not have my tripod with me, we're gonna be doing this handheld, and I'm gonna try my best not to shake and stuff like that for you guys. So this is the overall condition. Client actually already took that floor mat out for us. And this car, like I said, is a maintenance detail. Probably one of the easiest jobs that we do have because it's never really bad. It just needs a quick wipe down, maybe a little quick vacuum, you know. It's not too bad. And then we're gonna do the outside wash, spray wax it, do the wheels, stuff like that. And then we will be done with this one. All right, you guys, so since this car isn't too bad, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some super clean on it. Well, on the wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on there, let it sit for a second. And by a second, I mean by the time I make my way around. So I'm gonna let that sit on there. I'm gonna spray all these wheels. We're gonna go ahead and actually rinse off the car first, foam it, and then we'll go ahead and do our contact wash, and we'll do actual like wheel cleaning and stuff like that with our brushes. I be trying to stay efficient, you guys. Like, it's very important you guys stay efficient. Throughout this video, I'm gonna just be talking, trying to give you guys some advice, and hopefully you guys can hear me good. All right, you guys, so even though Efrain is with me, I'm still letting him do kind of like his detailing process because he's using my stuff, so it's kind of new, and you know, it's not something that he uses every day. But I'm not so concerned about how he sets up and stuff like that. I'm concerned about how he's doing things, is how efficient is he. So just now, he went ahead and rinsed the entire car and wheels, and I asked him, hey, did you do the door jams? He said, not yet. Now listen, me, in my point of view, you always want to be efficient, right? So let's say we're actually like right here, and we're spraying on the car and stuff like that. You know, it doesn't take nothing but 2 seconds to go ahead and open this door here, rinse off the door jam, come right here and do the same thing to this one, rinse it off, and just keep going with our rinse process. That way, we're doing as much as possible on one side of the vehicle, and we're working like in one solid motion. You get what I'm saying? So ideally, that's what I would do if I'm rinsing down the car. I'll rinse down the vehicle, right? Hit the gas cap, hit the door jams, hit the wheels. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's better to go ahead and move a little bit slower, so that way you're being more efficient and effective, and you're moving like a freaking, like a blitz. You get what I'm saying? Like, you're moving a lot at once. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off these door jams real quick. And just a little side note, that's just how I, you know, kind of see and think about stuff. Yes, sir. All right, so since they're not bad, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this brush and work on the inner wheels. I actually need to buy a new one because this one's a little jacked up. Come in here. Do this run. I don't go too crazy like on this outside face because I'm gonna come back around with my towel anyways and do it by hand. But I still want to clean it up a little bit, so that's why I'm doing it kind of like so reckless. This next one. All right, so we're spraying some bead maker now on the paint as our drying aid. Our client actually gifted us this bottle, and he gifted us also a full gallon of bead maker, which is super love, super clutch. You know how stuff like that gets very pricey and expensive. So big shout out to the client for that. Right now we're gonna use our rag company towels to dry it up. So we have our towel here. We're gonna go ahead and start drying off the vehicle. Now, ideally, if you're in some sun or something, you want to make sure you dry up those windows first, you guys. Make sure you, especially if you're mobile, dry up the windows first, because that's what's going to be a little bit harder to get off the water spots from and stuff like that. Be the windows and glass. Plus, I feel like that'll probably be the first thing to dry up. So he's going around spraying, and I'm just drying vehicle. So this is the look on the exterior. Did the trim, and then we did the wheels. Of course, this thing is looking nice and clean. Now we're gonna move our van, and then we're gonna start with the Tesla, which is right there.